Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about profit and loss concept from aptitude, and we are also going to solve 5 different varieties of profit and loss concept problems. So without getting late, let's get started. Question number 1. Alfred buys an old scooter for 4700 rupees and spends 800 on its repairs. If he sells the scooter for 5800, what his gain percentage? We need to find out the profit percentage after selling the scooter at 5800. So everything comes under cost until he sells the vehicle, right? So he spent 4700 to buy a bike and he spent 800 on its repairs. So the entire cost will comes under cost price. So CP is equals to 4700 plus 800, which equals to 5500 is the total cost price. And next, the selling price is 5800. So in order to find out the profit, you can simply subtract cost price from selling price. So profit is equals to SP minus CP, which equals to 300, right? So 5800 minus 5500 is 300, right? So the profit is 300 rupees. We need to find out the percentage of, so in order to find out the percentage of profit, you simply divide profit by cost price. Every time we find profit percentage, we need to consider CP only. So based on cost price only, you will find out profit percentage. You don't calculate profit percentage on selling price. Okay. Remember, this is a crucial point while dealing with profit and loss concept. So profit by CP into 100. This is the formula. So profit is 300, right? 300 by 5500 into 100. So this 100 and these two zeros will cancel and you will get 300 by 55, which gives you 5 by 11 percentage as profit percentage. 5 by 11 is the correct answer. Question number 2. The cost price of 20 articles is same as the selling price of X articles. If the profit percentage is 25%, then the value of X is. So given that CP of 20 articles is equals to selling price of 2 X articles. So let's consider CP of each article is 1 rupee. CP of one article is equals to 1 rupee. Okay. And then it becomes the selling price of X articles will become 20 rupees. SP of X articles is equals to 20 rupees. You can simply say that profit is equals to 20 minus 1 rupee into X, because X articles cost price is X, right? 1 into X, right? So 20, which is SP, selling price minus cost price. 20 rupees minus X is what? Profit. So in order to find out X, we can simply use profit percentage formula. So profit percentage is simply 20 minus X divided by X is equals to, into 100 is equals to 25, which is already given. So you can simply calculate. So 20 minus X by X into 100 is equals to 25. Cancel both these values 4 times, and 80 minus 4x is equals to x. So 5x is equals to 80, and now x value becomes 16. So x is 16. So x articles, 16 articles. So cost price of 20 articles is equals to 16 articles selling price. So the answer is 16. Option B is correct. Question number 3. A vendor bought toffees at 6 for a rupee. How many for a rupee must he sell to gain 20% profit gain? So he wants to get a profit percentage of 20 And how many candies should we sell for 1 rupee? He bought 6 for a rupee. So you can simply say cost price of 6 candies is 1 rupee. So cost price of one toffee is 1 by 6 rupee. What we need to find out is the selling price, right? We don't know the selling price, and so the profit percentage is selling price minus cost price by cost price is equals into 100 is equals to 20%. 20. So this 20, 100 will cancel 5 times, and we will get SP is, we don't know SP, so SP is still like that, and we know CP, right? CP is 1 and CP is 1, and we'll get 1 by 5 here, and SP is 6 by 5. So this is the selling price for 6 candies, right? This is the selling price for 6 toffees. But we need to find out how many toffees that we need to sell in order to get 20% profit. So you can simply use this formula. So number of toffees is equals to 6 by SP. So this will give you 6 into 5 by 6. 6 cancel, and 5 toffees. We will have 5 toffees. We need to sell 5 toffees for 1 rupee in order to get 20% of profit. Question number 4. The percentage profit earned by selling an article for 1920 rupees is equals to the percentage loss incurred by selling the same article for 1280 rupees. At what price should the article be sold to make 25% profit? So here we have been given two selling price. One gives us profit and one gives loss. So we don't know the cost price. So we need to find out first cost price, and then we can find out easily the 25% profit is what. Okay, the selling price of that item in order to get 25% profit can be calculated easily on cost price. So first we need to find out cost price, right? So based on this condition, we can make a statement like, so selling price 1 is 1920 where we get profit, and selling price 2 where we get loss. Okay, 1280. So selling price 1 will give us profit, right? So SP1 minus CP is equals to CP minus SP2, because SP2 will give us loss, right? That's why CP is greater than SP. That's why we get loss. So this is the condition, right? So simply 1920 plus 1280 is equals to 2CP, right? So 1920 plus 1280 is equals to 3200 by 2 will give you CP, right? So 1600 is actual cost price. 1600 is the actual cost price. What we need to find out is what is the selling price of the item if we want to get 25% of profit. So profit percentage is already given. So profit percentage is 25%. So we know the formula, selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100 is equals to 25, right? So this 25 4 times, and we don't know SP, right? So SP minus 1600 is equals to 1600 by 4, which is 400, and the SP is 2000. So the answer is 2000, which is option A is correct, because we need to sell the item at 2000 rupees in order to get 25% profit. So the answer is option A. Question number 5. A trader mixes 26 kg of rice 20 rupees per kg with 30 kg of rice of other variety at 36 rupees per kg and sells the mixture at 30 rupees per kg. So what he is doing is he's mixing two types of rices, where one is 26 kg of mass and second one is 30 kg of mass, and each of that two different types of rices having different costs. Okay, one is 20 per kg and another one is 36 rupees per kg. So we need to find out the cost price for entire rice, which is 56 kgs, and we need to find out the selling price of 56 kgs, and then we simply subtract SP minus CP. We can get the profit and we can calculate profit percentage. First we need to find out the cost price, right? So CP is equals to 26 kg into 20 plus 30 kg into 36. So 26 twos is 52, right? So 520, and 36 threes is 108, 180, 1080. So this will give you 1600 is cost price for 56 kgs. So for per 56 kgs, this is the cost price. So we need to find selling price, right? So selling price is 30 rupees per kg into 56. So 350 is 150 plus 36 18, so 168. So he is selling 1680 rupees. The entire baggage he is selling at 1680 rupees. So the profit is SP minus CP, right? So 1680 minus 1600 is 80 rupees. So the profit is 80 rupees, and we need to find out the percentage of profit, right? So profit percentage is 80, which is profit by CP. CP is nothing but 1600. Okay, so which will give you a profit of 5%. You are getting 5% profit. Okay, so the answer is option B, 5%. Question number 6. 100 oranges are bought at the rate of 350 rupees and sold at the rate of 48 per dozen. The percentage of profit or loss is. I'm not going to solve this problem. Solve this problem on your own and comment your answer in the comment section. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you.